thutha wa gukirirwo na njira nditu ni arumiriri a NASA ni undu wa kwaga gwikinyia igongona-ini ria kwihitithio tariki 30 mweri muhituku hamwe na Raila Odinga. Munini wa mutongoria wa NASA Kalonzo Musyoka riu ni eteteire na kuuga ikinya riake riari muthako wa kiuteti uria waigwithaniirio ni atongoria othe ana a ngwataniro ya NASA. Kalonzo ni ageire kiene muhuhu ati niguoya wagiririe ekinyie mambura-ini macio maria matabanirio kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Park.
We don't want to issue empty rhetoric to say we are swearing tomorrow and then we don't end up swearing. But the commitment is there. How I wish I was able to do it even now. But the truth of the matter is things are moved on and we have to move on.
Kwaga gwikinyia gwa Kalonzo igongona-ini riri ni kugayukanitie ngwataniro ya NASA aingi a bunge a kiama kia ODM makiuga Kalonzo ni amathiganire. Akiaria ihinda-ini riu Kalonzo ni okiriire maabitha a borithi ni gukuruhania mubunge wa Makadara George Aladwa na tharikiro ya gwake mucii mwena wa Karen, akiuga ni njama ya thirikari ya kugayania atongoria a NASA.
Any allegation to link Honorable Aladwa, a member from Makandara, with the attack at my residence. First of all, I don't know whether it was true, but the OSPD, one Kome, said that they cannot attack a coward. Yeah? This coward must have had an avocado fall on top of his roof. Okay? Okay? I said, there is a clear attempt to divide NASA. We are able to see through this.
Ihinda-ini riu ngucanio ya nu ukarirukia bendera ya ngwataniro ya NASA githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2022 ni theremete thutha wa kiama kia Wiper guteterithia Kalonzo Musyoka niwe ukamirirukia. Akiaria thutha wa mucemanio wa kamiti nene ya kiama kia Wiper, muikariri giti wa kiama kiu uria nowe gavana wa kaunti ya Makueni Kivutha Kibwana ni ateterithirie mari na ngirimiti ngwataniro-ini ya NASA ati ni Kalonzo ukanyitwo baru ahuranire giturwa kia president.
It is common knowledge within the NASA family that we have a coalition agreement which said that in 2022 we will support Kalonzo Musyoka for the presidency.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.